Hello, I'm Ryan, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Gala Shade Pro DX pop-up gazebo. Here at Gala Tent, we pride ourselves on the commercial strength of the structures that we send out of the door on a daily basis. Whether it's business or residential use, our gazebos are invariably the one that's still standing at the end of an event in adverse weather conditions. However, some of the feedback and comments that we receive on social media are that the strength and the stability do come at a reflected price. So in 2020, we launched the Gala Shade Pro DX. It's a lightweight, low-cost gazebo that retains all of the things that make us proud to put the Gala Tent name on a gazebo. We're talking components such as the hammer-tested nylon joints, the 32mm steel framework, and the 600 denier PVC-coated polyester covers that are available in 12 colours. Okay, so we talk about denier, but what does that actually mean? Why is it not measured in GSM like the PVC of the marquees? Well, there's a very simple answer in that denier refers to woven material such as the polyester in these covers. This is at 600 means that it's been woven incredibly tight and makes it extremely water resistant. Do be suspicious of retailers that are offering gazebo canopies of polyester that are measured in GSM. All that does is tell you how heavy that material is, not how water resistant or densely woven the material is. Now, I have mentioned that this is a steel product, but it is incredibly lightweight. One person can transport and erect this really easily. And I have also mentioned it being lightweight. However, I've seen this gazebo take torrential rains and winds of 25 miles an hour. So who is this gazebo for? Well, it was launched as a home and garden gazebo, so it's perfect for keeping in the shed and whipping out for any events that you've got going on, barbecues, garden parties, somewhere to shelter the children. However, it is also perfectly suited for light commercial use, such as, let's say you've got an art or a craft show that you need to get to, or you're at an indoor exhibition. This is perfect for it. It isn't perfect for heavy commercial use, so if you're out every other day or you're a market trader, this is not the gazebo for you. You're going to want to choose something like the Gala Shade Pro 40, Pro 50 or Pro 60. Okay, so let's talk technical spec and dimensions. This starts out as 161 by 24 by 25 centimeters when it's packed down. That erects out to a huge 3 by 3 meter area. It's got adjustable height settings, so you can set your gazebo up in a space where you've got low ceilings, or if there's a wind coming up, you can just simply drop the legs just to protect your investment from strong gusts. The peak pole ranges from 268 centimeters on the lowest setting up to 328 on the highest setting. The edge of the gazebo covers about 2 meters. So what do you get in the box? Well, with the Gala Shade Pro DX, you're going to receive the frame and the canopy in a colour of your choosing. You can opt for sidewalls, which are going to help to create an enclosed area. Those sidewalls will arrive in a set of 2 blank walls, a doorway, and a window panel that has a built-in privacy blind. Other recommended accessories for the Pro DX would be the wheeled storage bag. This is especially recommended for commercial use when you want to take your gazebo out and about. So Gala tent structures are incredibly strong tents. But they do need to be anchored effectively. If you don't anchor your tent and a big gust of wind comes up, no matter where you are, no matter what the model of that gazebo, it's going to get taken away. There's no two ways about it, so you must anchor your tent effectively. So what anchorage do we offer here at Gala Tent? The first one is the 13 kilogram cast iron weight. Now these weights are, if you see the dimples on there, they're built for stacking, so you can add as many as you want per leg. We recommend 2. Now those are sold in packs of 2 weights. Also sold in packs of 2 weights are the gazebo leg weight bags. Now these are a canvas tubular construction. You'd fill that with sand or gravel, strap it to the legs, and that'll also give you 13 kilograms of weight. So it travels exceptionally light, but it also is incredibly effective. Also, for if you're wanting something a little bit more robust, we've got the Gala Tent PVC water weight bags. So these are, they travel extremely light, but you fill that with water, you're going to get 50 kilograms of anchorage per unit. That is sold with a ratchet strap already, so you can attach it to your tent and anchor your gazebo quickly. If you are on softer ground, however, so such as grass or soil, then we have the heavy duty storm kits. These are sold with 2 pegs, 2 ratchet straps, and that is gonna, 1 per leg, and that is effectively gonna anchor your tent. We do also offer a slightly more basic version, which has got thinner straps and smaller pegs, But again, there's no such thing as too much anchorage on your gazebo. Take some of these, weight it down as well. You're going to have the only tent that's still standing in a storm. I talked about the water weights traveling extremely light, but what if you don't have a water supply at the event that you're going to be at? Well, these concrete blocks will offer you 40 kilograms of anchorage. These are sold individually or in packs of 4 or 10. You do get better discounts for taking more of them. So one final top tip from me when it comes to tying down your gazebo is when you're using ratchet straps or tie downs of any sort, do not use the D-ring that's on the corner of the canopy. That's purely for pulling the canopy tight over your structure to ensure that you've got a nice crisp canopy on there. When you're wrapping a ratchet strap or when you're using a ratchet strap with your gazebo, it's a strong piece of kit. Don't be scared of using the framework in the corner at the top of the leg. And this was the Gala Shade Pro DX. If you are tempted by the low price, but you're not sure that it's going to be suitable for your needs, then I recommend that you give us a call on 01709 242454 and have a chat to the team. They're going to offer you reliable, genuine advice and they're going to get the right product for you. Thanks for watching.